In this demonstration, we will show you the estimated value of rescheduling a work zone by comparing its impact to that of another event. To begin, select the work zone you would like to assess. I'm going to look up event 213389. We again have a list of potential conflicts based on the identified duration, overlap, and search radius. I will select the first one. We now want to calculate the impact of the selected work zone, and the user has the opportunity to adjust the default parameters or keep the default values. We do the same thing for the conflict. Which project do we want to reschedule? I'm going to choose the first work zone we chose to analyze. I want to reschedule it from 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. and click Reschedule. If there is a diversion percentage, we can input that now and click Calculate Benefit. The software will reschedule the selected work zone and calculate an estimated total benefit for rescheduling. On the map, we can see the total cost from both before and after.